For making ladyfinger thecha with dry fish, I took 200 grams ladyfinger, wash and let it air dry before cutting. Cut off the tip and bottom, slit lengthwise and then cut into small strips. Choose the ladyfinger which are young and tender. I took 4 big size dry Bombay duck. Cut off the head and tail and then cut into section. Some people doesn't like the smell of Bombay duck, but it is rich with nutrients like iron, zinc and calcium. Rinse it 2 to 3 times with water. Because of sun drying, it has some dust and impurities. Turn on the heat, put an iron tawa, add a tablespoon oil. After oil is smoky hot, add the dry Bombay duck pieces, stir fry. Over medium to high heat, keep stirring until it lightly golden brown color. Take it out and in the same remaining oil add 6 to 7 green chilli. I took the spicy dark colored green chilli. If you don't like spicy enough, you can replace it with light colored green chilli. You can slit the green chilli before adding. Now saute for 7 to 8 minutes over low flame. While frying, green chilli oil may split, so keep distance. Our green chilies are blistered, take it out. In the same remaining oil, add 7 to 8 cloves of garlic. I have not removed the thin skin of garlic to make the recipe more flavorful. Take it out after it is blistered. In the same remaining oil, add slit ladyfinger. Over medium to high heat, stir fry the ladyfinger until it crunchy. Add a teaspoon salt and fry until it is well cooked. Then take it out. In a mortar, add fried Bombay duck, green chilli and garlic. First smash it and then crush using a pestle. Keep aside. Now add the fried ladyfinger. First smash the fried ladyfinger and pound it coarsely. When you make any type of thecha recipe in mortar and pestle, it tastes better. Now add the dry fish thecha with the ladyfinger and again grind it coarsely. Our ladyfinger thecha recipe is done. Serve it with jawari bhakri or fulka roti. Thanks for watching.